Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your card on your phone. First, open your phone's digital wallet application, such as Apple Pay, Google Wallet, or Samsung Pay. Next, look for the plus sign or an Add button to initiate adding a new payment method. Finally, select the option to add a credit or debit card to begin the setup process. This initial step is crucial for digitizing your physical card. Once you've chosen to add a card, you'll need to input its details. You can either manually type in your 16-digit card number and expiration date, or use your phone's camera to scan the card, which often autofills the information. Don't forget to enter the 3- or 4-digit security code, usually found on the back of your card, to ensure security. After entering your card details, your bank will need to verify your identity. You'll typically be given options like receiving a verification code via text message, email, or through your bank's mobile application. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to confirm. Finally, review and accept the terms and conditions to complete the card activation process. With your card now set up, you can enjoy the convenience of making secure payments directly from your phone. Simply hold your device near a compatible payment terminal to complete transactions quickly and easily. It's a seamless way to pay without needing your physical wallet. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your new digital payment experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.